Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Gemini. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that reading. That may help you answer some doubts or questions you have in your mind, Gemini. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Ace of Cups, Death in reverse, and Six of Cups. So, Gemini, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are, what to say, feeling really stuck. Maybe you need to make some important choices, make some decisions in your work regarding some projects or some offers today, and you are unable to do that because you feel that you do not have that clarity. You're quite confused on certain things, and maybe you're thinking of the way you uh, did something in your past, maybe in a similar circumstance. What was your decision and the way you succeeded in that? You're thinking about that maybe, and you want to do things much better than that, and you are thinking of ways to decide correctly today. And Gemini, this may be the situation even in this relationship. You are thinking about something, maybe your past relationship. Today, right now, you feel quite, what to say, stuck or bored in this relationship. You don't know what is the next step or what will be the future of this connection. You want to make a change to the way things are going. That may be the reason you are thinking about something that happened in your life and you're trying to make a decision today. But if you are deciding from something you experienced in the past, it may not be the right decision for you, Gemini. So you need to think with this present person, with your present circumstance. That will give you more clarity. And maybe you may have someone close to you, maybe because you are not clear about the choices or you are not clear about what you need to do. Maybe you are talking to friends or family members, taking their guidance, or you're telling them about your experience and asking them guidance. But Gemini, you need not worry with this Ace of Cups here. I see that whatever it is, maybe it is boredom or maybe there may be some arguments, whatever it is in this relationship, it is going to resolve and it is going to change in a very beautiful way for you all, Gemini. But if you are single, you are getting someone new. But if you are already in a relationship, this card just means that this connection is moving towards something very positive. Maybe the next step, maybe with that beautiful understanding, mutual love, and respect in this connection. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Two of Pentacles in reverse. So you are trying your best, trying to adjust to this connection. Maybe it may be this person, it may be with this person, or if you are single, it may be with the new person. But whatever it is, they are sending you some important message today, Gemini. So it may be an email or a letter. So something is coming. For most of you, it may be something good. But for some of you, I see that it is not a good news. It's not a good message coming today, Gemini. So that is what I see, guys. So this person is revealing to you what they are truly feeling. Maybe uh, the boredom or that lack of clarity in this connection. That may be the reason for them to make this choice today. So, for your career circumstances, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. It's King of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your work circumstances, you may see some delays, some projects may get suspended, some kind of troubles may be there. Maybe people are not dedicated like you, they are what to say, selfish, maybe corrupted. That may again affect the way things are going in your work circumstances, Gemini. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. We will see what is this card. We have Goldilocks, entitlement. So, with this card, it just means that you are immature in your circumstance, or maybe someone is really immature and this person is not aware of what to do or how to be in a connection, or how to be um, a person who respects others. And the bears in these cards, they represent respect and something that you must learn to do if you want to grow yourself, if you want to change yourself from an immature person to someone mature, someone who's making wise choices. So maybe you are dealing with an immature person, or you, it may be your energy, maybe you are quite immature, you don't know how to be, how to handle yourself, and maybe there is someone invading your personal space. It may be your energy or someone's energy towards you, and you do not like it, and you need space. Even though if you are in a very good relationship, a positive relationship, still we need that space, still we need that other person to respect us, to respect our uniqueness, to respect our time and that alone time. Maybe no one should invade that. When they do that, they are pushing this relationship to into some kind of difficult circumstance. So people may not like us using their personal space, or using their things, or using them. You should not take anything for granted. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And maybe there is someone like that in your circumstance. You are feeling really worried, or you simply do not like to be with this person. But if this is your energy, you need to change yourself, learn from the mistakes you did, and change yourself. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, we have rhodonite. So this crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and connection with people. So in our life, in our day-to-day life, we meet so many people, and we are here to learn from others and also teach others whatever we know. So this crystal spirit stands for that harmonious, meaningful connection, and we are in this life together, and maybe in our partnership, maybe in our work, or even in this relationship, when we exchange our gifts, we are going to do things in a better way. Exchange our gifts in the sense, our gifts of talents. Maybe we will know something better than the other person, and when we give that guidance, maybe someone will make use of it. And even in this relationship, this may be the time for you to connect deeply with this person, give and receive. So teach them what you know, and when they reciprocate that, when they teach you what they know, when they help you with their talents and skills, you are going to benefit today, benefit in this relationship for having that positive connection with you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And you are, what to say, you are moving towards a healthy, balanced relationship when you do that, when you share your knowledge, and when you go out of the way connecting with people, helping them out. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.